Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the burner drip bowl on your oven. The reason why you might have to do this is because the burner drip bowl is damaged or because it's rusted and it has holes that are no longer catching anything that is dripping from the top of the oven. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this repair, we'll be using a Whirlpool stove. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So as you can see here, our stovetop has 4 different drip pans. 2 of them are going to be the same size. We've got a 6-inch and an 8-inch. This will be the one that we're replacing today. This is a 6-inch one. So in order to get to it, you're going to take your burner element and pull it up so it comes off the clip, and then pull it straight out from where it's plugged in. And once you've got that pulled out, just set it off to the side. And when you're removing this drip bowl, just make sure you keep in mind there's a clip right here. So you're just going to pull straight up, not twist it so you don't break that clip, and remove the old drip pan. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement drip bowl. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now we're going to put the new drip bowl in, and all you're going to do is line up the hole right there with the clip and just slide that on. And if you do it properly, the other hole should be lined up with the plug. So now we'll grab our burner and just make sure you plug that straight in. And once it's plugged in, push this down on the clip to lock it in place. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.